Welcome, dear viewers, to a world of vibrant colors and delicate wings. Today, we embark on a journey to transform your gardens into havens for those dazzling aerial acrobats, hummingbirds. These tiny creatures, with their iridescent plumage and astonishing aerial prowess, are a joy to behold. In this video, we'll delve into the secrets of attracting these feathered wonders to your own backyard. From selecting the perfect floral feast to creating an environment that caters to their unique needs, we'll explore the art of crafting a hummingbird haven. So join me as we unlock the secrets to attracting these miniature marvels and bring a touch of their magic to your doorstep. Our journey begins with a plant tailor-made for the hummingbird's feeding style, the trumpet vine. These climbers, with their vibrant, trumpet-shaped flowers, are a magnet for hummingbirds. The blooms, in hues of scarlet and orange, complement the hummingbird's beak. This relationship allows the hummingbird to access nectar and facilitates pollination. To grow these in your garden, select a sunny location with well-drained soil. Provide a sturdy support structure and watch your garden transform. Patience is key, as trumpet vines may take a few seasons to establish. Once they do, you'll be rewarded with a display of color and hummingbird wings. Next, we turn our attention to the captivating fuchsias, with their pendulous, jewel-toned blooms that seem to dance in the breeze. These elegant plants, native to the Americas, are another favorite among hummingbirds, their nectar-rich flowers proving irresistible to these feathered dynamos. Fuchsias thrive in dappled shade or morning sun, their delicate blooms susceptible to scorching in intense heat. Choose a location with moist, well-drained soil and consider adding a layer of mulch to keep their roots cool. These graceful plants come in a dazzling array of colors, from vibrant pinks and purples to delicate whites and soft corals. Experiment with different varieties to create a fuchsia-filled haven that will entice hummingbirds from far and wide. Remember to deadhead spent blooms regularly to encourage a continuous display of these enchanting flowers throughout the growing season. Chapter 3. Beyond the Blooms. Crafting a hummingbird haven while selecting the right plants is crucial. Creating a truly inviting environment for hummingbirds extends beyond flowers. These creatures need fresh water for drinking and bathing. Add a shallow bird bath with gently sloping sides or a mister to your garden. The sound of trickling water entices hummingbirds, acting as a siren call to these flyers. Keep water sources clean and change water regularly to prevent diseases. Avoid using pesticides in your garden. These chemicals can harm hummingbirds by contaminating their food sources. Opt for natural pest control methods or handpick unwanted visitors from your plants. Chapter 4. Expanding the Hummingbird Buffet. Let's expand our repertoire of hummingbird-attracting plants. Bee balm, with its vibrant blooms, is a favorite, attracting many pollinators. Salvias, with their tubular flowers, are another excellent choice. These drought-tolerant plants come in many colors and sizes. For delicate beauty, consider planting columbines. Their unique, bell-shaped flowers attract hummingbirds, provide adequate spacing for good air circulation. Chapter 5. The Art of Hummingbird Gardening. Maintaining a hummingbird-friendly garden requires a gentle touch and an understanding of these creatures' needs. Regular watering is essential, particularly during dry spells, as hummingbirds obtain much of their moisture from the nectar they consume. Deadheading spent blooms encourages the plant to produce more flowers, ensuring a continuous food source for your hummingbird visitors. Pruning overgrown branches not only maintains the shape and health of your plants, but also provides a clear flight path for these agile flyers. Consider creating a diverse habitat by incorporating a variety of plant heights and densities. This provides hummingbirds with ample opportunities for foraging, perching, and even nesting. Remember, a thriving hummingbird garden is a testament to the delicate balance of nature and the rewards of mindful gardening. And so, dear viewers, we reach the end of our journey into the world of hummingbirds. By embracing these tips and techniques, you too can transform your gardens into vibrant oases for these remarkable creatures. Imagine stepping out into your backyard and being greeted by the hum of hummingbird wings, a symphony of color and motion. With a little effort and a touch of dedication, you can experience the joy of sharing your space with these tiny marvels. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more gardening adventures, and share your own hummingbird experiences in the comments below. Thank you for joining me on this enchanting journey.